To your surprise or not, strings also have an indexing system. The good news is that they have exactly the same system as lists. So they have positive and negative indexing, and you can slice them and you can access items from them. Let me make a quick demonstration. String hello. That will give you the string E, which is still a string. Hello is a string, E is also a string. And negative indexing. And also slicing. One cool thing you can do is, let me get this list. So it's a list containing different types of objects. And what you can do is you can access, guess it? Well, that's the hello string, so the first item of the list. And then you can use a chain indexing, such as, for example, if you type 2 there, guess what you're going to get? Well, you're going to get the first L, because that has an index of 2. So 0 for H, 1 for E, 2 for L. Because this part here is a value on its own, and this other part will get the item with index 2 of that value, which happens to be a string. It is as simple as that.